sleeping online, so I don't really know what you guys get, but I know it's group something. So please add me up. Oh my God, see my people. Hi, remember, hi, yes. So Abu Hamid, thank you so much for coming. It's been a while, oh, all these my old time friends. It's been a while. How are you doing now? How are you doing, Abu? How are you doing? Thank you so much for coming back. Hi, little one. Hi to the baby. Hi to baby. See your head. Hey. Please, guys, don't double tap to give me thumbs up. Double tap to give me thumbs up. Play. She likes to play. Oh. Guy. How are you doing? How are you doing? Zina, please double tap on your screen. Double tap. Favor, please explain to me well on IG. Let me know alone. Are you going? I'm kidding. Are you going? Thank you so much. Where are you? I'm in the shop. I'm in my shop. I'm in the shop. I don't think I'm going to 300. Bottom.
Okay, Melinda.
Fanta.
Fanta.
I got some more pen and pen. I got some more pen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. How are you doing? How are you doing? How have you been? How have you been? I got some more card here. I got more this morning. I got more pen. That's more very small. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Let's get into swing. I'm not saying Igbo. Na ekuru me no Igbo. I'm not saying Igbo. But hasim kowa him kugama kowa. Yes. Thank you guys so much. Thank you everyone. Please, if you are just joining, double tap on the screen to give me thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.
You are enjoying this naked life.
Double tap on the screen. Oh, double tap. Oh, my people, double tap. Double tap to give me thumbs up. Abu, how is work?
Baby, you don't finish them. No, they finish them like that. You take it easy now.
I want to do unboxing. No, unboxing.
Yellow one on the baby. Baby, I'm going to tell them when they get from away.
Yes, thank you guys so much for coming. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone that have made this live interesting. Thank you guys so much for coming out in numbers today to support your girl. When will you do that? Okay, I want to do it. I want to do the unboxing. That's more. Yay! See what we got here.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you guess what it is? Yeah, this is what I want to unbox. I want to unbox this.